Welcome back. If you're thinking about retirement, there is a new kind of mortgage designed to help homeowners 62 and older unlock their home's value without giving up ownership.
But there are a lot of myths surrounding this financial tool. So today, Chad is busting myths and explaining more. Let's just dive right in. Hey, Chad, great to see you.
Great to see you guys. Appreciate you having me on.
Yes.
Of course.
So let me kick it off with this question. Is the new retirement mortgage like a reverse mortgage?
Oh, well, thank you for asking that. That is a question we get daily. The old retirement mortgage is a lot like the old cell phone, the old brick cell phone that you had. And there's not many features or benefits with this, but the new way, the smart way, is to go with a new reverse mortgage and has a lot more features and benefits to it. So the reverse mortgage is actually also called a home equity conversion mortgage. And what that is allows those 62 and above to gain access to their home equity through a line of credit or a lump sum or a combination of both, all while retaining ownership of the house.
Okay, very interesting.
Yeah.
I love that. And we set you up as though maybe you're going to be busting some myths for us. So let's dive into some myths surrounding this type of mortgage. Check out this one. It's a loan of last resort. Is that true? And if so, why?
Well, it was a loan of last resort, kind of similar to the old brick cell phone. Back the Reagan administration brought this to widows after they lost their spouse and spousal income and didn't want people losing their house to foreclosure because they couldn't afford it. So this was introduced to those individuals to stay in the home.
Okay.
And actually today we've got a lot of reverse mortgages set up through financial planners because they say at age 62 and above, you set up your Social Security, and you also can set up your retirement mortgage. And so you have funds available when you need assisted living or long-term care.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, another point I think a lot of people might need that clarification. The bank will own their home. Can we clarify that?
Yeah, I'd be glad to. Well, this is another misconception that goes back from the 80s. And when it was first introduced by the Reagan administration, there was not much education around these. So people heard the word no more payments. And so what they did then is they got notices about not paying their homeowners insurance or taxes. But they said, you know what? I don't have any more mortgage payments. So what they did is they cut those off and started education in the early 2000s so people would know to pay their homeowners insurance and taxes. That way they could stay in the home as long as they want.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's all
very
fascinating.
interesting. So if folks want to learn more, they want to reach out to you with any questions, what's the best way for them to do that?
Well, they can call us on our local number, go to our website, mygoldenjourney.com. That answers a lot of their questions. And also they can email me or call me. We've got a booklet that we can share with them that breaks down the new reverse mortgage.
Okay, so you can share that booklet. Is that free of charge? Is that you're just going to kind of, is that right? Yeah, you're shaking your head.
And yeah, we'll do one of two things. We'll either mail it to them, or if they prefer email, we'll email it to them.
Okay, yes.
At no cost to the borrower, correct.
Great, an electronic copy, you know, I love that. Or you've got the physical copy as well. That's great. So folks just need to reach out to you if they have any questions about this or maybe any other sort of financial mortgage myths that you can bust. Is that right, Chad?
That is right. It comes with a lot of misconceptions because of the early years, and they've stayed around. So we like to bust those because people have a hard time understanding it. So we like to go one by one and answer their questions as we go.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
Say that website again, mygoldenjourney.com. Is that right?
That is correct.
All right.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys having me on.
Absolutely. We'd love to have you back to bust some more myths. I got tons of questions about mortgages. So good to see you, Chad, as always.
thank you,
Thanks for
Chad.
Good to see you
joining
guys.
us. Yeah, for sure.
You guys have a great day.
You too.
You too.
Yeah.